kids. Hope you are doing great today. Today it's Monday. It's a new day, new week, and new activities. Yeah. So are you ready? Let's start. Today we're going to do the same lesson, which is word of animals. As you see in the picture, you have a lot of animals like giraffe, rhino, tiger, monkey, elephant, crocodile, cheetah, lion, hippo, and the last one is snake. Activity A, which is number 1. A, you need to read and match. Okay, read from 1 to 6 and match with the pictures. Or read and write the letters under the text. So this is for A. B, it's a game. You need to read and you need to write the correct animals. You have an example like this big black and white bird can swim, but it can't fly. What is it? It's a penguin. So you can play this game with your mother, father, sister, or brother. Next, it's C. Look at the animals. You have lion, kangaroo, and bat. So you need to look at the animals, read and correct these sentences. So you need to read the sentences about the animals and you need to correct words which are not correct. Okay, there are words in the sentences they are not correct. Okay, so you need to correct the sentences. Okay, so this is for activity C. D, write when you finish. You need to write about your favorite animal. What do you like? What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is, and you describe your favorite animal, is a cat, for example. It's small, it's beautiful, it's white, and so on. So you need to write a small description, a small text about your favorite animal. Thank you, kids, and good luck and do your best and see you soon.